Today we are going to
talk about
our
meal time.
time.
Thank you for subscribing our channel and liking all our videos. Your support is really helping all of us to sustain and continue doing all these videos. And today we are going to discuss about preschoolers' meal time or their food time. One of the major affecting or thought-provoking areas of parents of preschoolers is their food time. Understand, still it is a tedious job from the time they are born till now. They have their own way of eating their food item, but we need to understand that this meal time is mainly depending upon your and my pattern, or the meal time of this preschoolers will basically depending upon the parents' time. Still they need supervision, and we should be there while they're eating their food, because they till now has not taken mastery over the swallowing and chewing habits. So someone should be there with the children whenever we are giving them food. I'm not telling you to feed them food. Help them to eat the food either with the spoon or with the hands you are practicing at home, and with the plates they are taking their own food. Some tips what we can practice while feeding these children is: avoid unplanned snacks or any eateries in between the scheduled snacks or food timing, because if you are giving some bakery items or some biscuits or something other than the planned hours, this will affect the remaining food pattern, because the child is completely filled with whatever junk item you are giving, and so that this will affect their routine pattern. So avoid junk, especially. Other than that, avoid whatever planned food, give it that, and avoid other unwanted food items. And the next thing what we can concentrate is always emphasize the need of hand washing, because these kids are going to touch each and every places, and they may have nails, or they don't know, actually they're like piglets all the time playing around with mud or anything. They don't know where to touch and where not to touch. So it's always good to emphasize the need of hand washing and mouth before having their food. Meal time, when you are emphasizing, do not allow anything else to be done at that particular time, because they will not eat, or the time for eating will be much more if the child is disturbed by anything else. So if they are having any kind of toys, this is the time they are getting attached with lot of toys. If boys, they may be into cars or any other gadget, where if it's a girl child, they may be more with dolls or whatever. So try to avoid everything so that they won't be distracted, and their meal time will be constructed and will be short compared to the other times. The next time what we can understand is avoid screen time when you're feeding the child. There is a practice by all the parents that keep the phone on, or a tab or a laptop to be on, and make them see the video and feed them. Actually, that is not a good practice. We really don't know how the child is perceiving, because when the child become adult also, they avoid concentrate eating their food properly, rather they will be concentrate somewhere else. So try to avoid screen time when having their meals. Avoid feeding them, because now they are more than 3 years or 3.5, 4 years. Now they should have their own independence. They can have their own plate, they have their own spoons and glasses, and they're fascinated with their plates with the cartoon character whichever they're impressed with. So we can avoid and making the child independent on their feeding habits. Next thing is we can avoid playing or running around, because they just want to play when you're going to give them food. So be strict that they will not run around or play at the time of feeding time or the time of meal, so that you can have a get together time or the family time at the dining table can be maintained. Also, running around and playing during meal time should be avoided, because children can get choked or get aspirated with the food, which can again move into further complication. So it's always good that be assertive while having the food time. Next thing we need to understand as mother or father that they're always looking at the elder ones at home to see how they are eating, so they will copy. So if the father and mother are eating with spoons, they also prefer to eat with spoons. If father and mother are showing any kind of change or any pattern, don't worry, your child will literally copy how you are going to eat and how you are going to drink water. So the mealtime, whatever the family is showing, the kids will copy the same. Now we will see what are the different food items we can include in the regular pattern of food. Actually, we can include all the food items, grains like meals, then wheat or oatmeal. So these are the different items we can include as grains. And if we are talking about vegetables, vegetables are difficult for them to eat, but make them understand in a funny way what is vegetables for them. So vegetables make them healthy or give them muscles. So this way we can make them understand the importance of vegetables and give them in such a way that they will eat. You can put some masalas, chicken masala or any other good masala where child likes it, and you can feed it. What my mama used to do is, mama used to smash the boiled vegetables and used to put in chicken curry or something else, so that vegetable also will be included in the diet when we were small. And other than fruits, we need to understand that what are the fruit items, the fruits they like, and we can include and make them experience each and every fruit stage so that they will like one or other. And don't forget to include proteins. It's always good to add milk and egg in their diet or high protein food. If you're vegetarian, if you can think about other food items that can give a protein rich diet, and you can also include the fruits or anything which have other minerals so that the child can get a complete diet. Nuts like almonds or peanuts are actually good in omega oils as well as fatty acid, which is good for their brain development. You can either give them directly, and if you are doubting for any kind of chalking, you can mix it, make it powder, whatever you are making, mix it with other curries and give them, so that the content of this means the protein content or the fatty acid content can be mixed with other food items. So these are the ways you can work in their diet so that they will eat whatever we are offering. I would say that my husband takes care of the dietary part of my children, and my children will never say no to whatever my husband is giving. So that is the impact of their father on their food. Now we'll see what they are eating every day. Kita, what are things you eat every day?
I can eat dal rice.
You can eat breakfast. What do you eat?
You can eat chicken too.
Breakfast.
You can eat
Bread.
You can eat pancake.
Pancake.
I can have popcorn.
In the morning.
No popcorn today.
Okay, what else Papa give you for breakfast? Papa, Mama?
Papa, Mama give you dal and rice.
For breakfast, early morning you get dal rice?
Yeah, every day. Now we are going to have food. Yeah.
Morning you don't eat chocos.
After we have our food, we are going to see our orange. We are going to orange house and see the dog. Yes.
We are talking about the food. Morning you eat what? Pancake. You eat chocos, right?
Yes.
Oats.
And
Papa give you dosha.
dosa also, Papa.
Appam.
Appam, yeah.
Yeah, idli.
Idli, yeah.
Idli.
We can eat idli on the chocolate.
Yeah, with the chocolate syrup Papa give you. And what you eat? And then with chocos Papa give you milk.
Yeah.
Milk! Yeah, milk is given. And lunch, what do you eat lunch?
And
Rice.
and
Curd.
curd,
Chicken.
chicken,
What else?
dal.
Okay. Evening, what you have? What evening? After you get up from the sleep, what Mama give?
Mama,
Mama?
how are you?
Yeah, the mother.
Chocolates.
No chocos, milk and biscuit.
Like and
And dinner, what are you going to eat? Dinner.
We can eat rice and dal. We can anything we want.
So here we end the session with a comedy session of their diet plan of each and every day. Hope you like this session, and we are coming next week with another fun-filled episode. Till that, stay safe and stay happy. Thank you so much. Say bye. We love you.
I love you. Hope you like our family. Bye.
Yeah, bye.